In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add music to an Instagram post. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by actually creating a post, just as you would. Let's say I just want to post this video. You're then going to click on Next, as you usually do, and you're going to actually scroll down, and since this is a reel, you can actually add music right here. But if I want to do this to a photo instead, it's a little bit of a different process. So you're just going to click on a photo and go down and click on Add Music. It's going to give you the option to choose music or browse, and you can also search. I'm just going to click on a random song, and you'll have the option to trim different parts of the song depending on what you want to play when people see your post. That's really all there is to it. You can write your caption as usual, but if I post this, it will actually show that there is music playing when people scroll and see it. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.